How many videos are there on YouTube? YouTube is the most popular video sharing and social media platform. As of 2024, there are 3.9 billion videos on YouTube, of which 826 million are shorts. In the year 2023 alone, 2.4 million videos were uploaded to YouTube every day. That equals 100,000 videos per hour, 1,750 per minute, and 29 per second. Every second, 6 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube by different YouTubers and channels. The average YouTube video length is 12 minutes and 26 seconds. YouTube Shorts represent 20% of all the YouTube videos. With 3.86 billion videos on YouTube, each averaging 12 minutes and 26 seconds. It would take more than 42 billion minutes in total to watch every video. That's the equivalent of nearly 30 million days or over 81,500 years of continuous or non-stop viewing.